To be, it's your girl Lauren. You know that we love slime. And by the way, I did not make the slime. My friend did. She gave it to me at school. But this is how slime. You know how it gets soft for a while, but then it be getting hard. Like it began at first it be all stretchy because it's all new. It's all new. You can poke holes in it. It'll be really cool. Like this. Let me fix it first. And by the way, kids, if you're gonna use borax, use hot water so the borax solution will not give you third-degree burns. Cause my friend used clear glue. That's why you can see that. If you zoom in, you can see this. So my friend used clear glue and borax. I don't know, because at first it was blue, but I made it purple. I wonder how she made it. And it's good that you could get your friends to make it at their house, because you won't have to make a mess at your house. This is really fun to do, but if your slime starts to get hard, start to ball up. Sorry, my slime is stuck to my hand, as you can see. And by the way, y'all wonder where I am. I'm in my kitchen on my kitchen table. That's just a little bit smudges. I'm in my kitchen and I'm playing with my slime. But if it gets hard, you know what to do. So if your slime starts to get hard, you take it, put some warm water. So since there's already borax in it, you stir it up with some warm water. You stir it. You take the spoon and you place it on. You just don't immediately drop it, because the spoon will make it better. Okay, there you go. Then you just drop it. Then you just slide it off. And as you can see, we all know that as look at it, and you see that this is the slime, but this is like bubbling up, but you just can't see it. So I'm gonna try to get a little bit closer. Well, y'all can't see it, but I'm gonna try to zoom out, and I'm gonna get a little closer, and you can see. Well, y'all can't see it, but there's actually bubbles in here. Just put it like that, but I will be right back. Back to the video. I had to go get my little flashlight, but as you can look closer, if you move the flashlight, but you keep it on there, you see little bubbles appearing, and from those little bubbles, that is borax. You can mess with it while it's in the water. Now, when you're done with your spoon, I'm gonna place it on a little napkin right here. Then, while you have this, you grab your spoon, you dig it up. This is the slime. Then you put it right there. Okay, it may be a little wet at first, but that is how it's supposed to come out. If you guys are wondering, and sorry, I might have to pause the video. Back to the video. We know that it's right here. The slime is right here, so now we're gonna check and see how it works. Sorry, push the flashlight on it to get it extra light. Okay, ready? I'm gonna stick my fingers in it, and we're gonna see how it feels. Wow. Oh, that turned out to be really great slime. And you just put it in warm water because it makes it more stretchy. If you want to play with it, you can. And by the way, if you hear my voice right now, you could tell that I am sick. I'm very sick. And I'm not supposed to be sick, but yeah, I'm sick and it's no fun to stay in the house. But you know what? If you're in the house and you're sick, just make slime. You'll feel better. Go on social media, go on Musical.ly, go on Snapchat, go on Facebook, go on whatever you do for social media. Go on Lively and show off your slime. Tell people how to make it on YouTube. It's very fun, and if you want to know how I made this, how my friend made this slime, just go on Jake Paul and it'll show you how to make the slime. Now, I'm about to put it, pause for a second. And if you're wondering, my arm is like that, so that's why my thing is there. My arm, I have on a short sleeve, you can see, so yeah. Make that go down there, down there, down there, down. Yup. There we go. Then we're gonna grab it. I don't want to block out the camera. I'm gonna put your fingers in it. Okay, now I'm gonna just put my finger on something right now, like this. And just play with the slime. As you can see, I'm using 2 hands because my other is on the whole is on my tablet holder. You can see. There we go. I don't want it to be like that, so there we go. Okay. Now I made it like that. I'm gonna make it sit for a while. And by the way, I'm going into my refrigerator to get my milkshake that I made myself. And I'll also be showing y'all how to make our very own milkshake. But if y'all don't like it, don't be haters. And if it don't come out good with you, then you did not use the right ingredients. Okay, so bye. Hope you like this how to keep your slime soft video. But yeah, I want to see if my slime is actually soft. So that's how you can tell it's soft, because it's stretchable. Yay! It is very stretchable. And that's how you can tell that it is soft. Bye on my video. Thanks. Comment my things and get this video to 500,000 likes. Bye.